And welcome to the Mascot 2025 Grand Launch Press Conference. Welcome to all of our media friends, and thank you for taking the time of coming here. And this time it is actually a room for all information and for all the things that we're going to know on the Mascot 2025. But before that, let's acknowledge the presence of our different city officials and board members and department heads of Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated. Let's start off with our Honorable Greg Gasataya, the City Bacolod City Mayor. Hello, good morning, Mayor. We have the President and Festival Director of Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated, Sir Rodney Mintz Ascalon. The Corporate Secretary and Legal Affairs Head, Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated, Attorney Hannah Leia Tanyoso de la Torre. Foundation Treasurer and Director of Marketing, Bacolod Gugma Foundation, Ms. Joanna Angelica Ortilio. Accounting and Finance Head, Mr. Edsel Prado. Secretariat Admin, Christine Panes Seraspe. Now let's go to our department heads. The Chairman for Sectoral and Pageant Events, Mr. Carlos Durana Jr. The Chairman for Cultural and Highlight Events, Ms. Angela Tinosa. Marketing Head, Marketing Department, Jane Ferrer. PR Director and Media Relations Head, PR and Media Department, Luis Lian Bobe. Sports Event Head, Mascara Olympics, Jose David Diaz. Head for Creatives Department, we have Jerson Javier. Head in Food Kiosk Management for Plaza and BCGC, we have Mr. Christopher Malo. The Director for Lacson Tourism Strip, we have Mark Raymond Garcia. And Head in Interagency Department, AJ Marquez. And the Head for Food Committee, we have Stephanie Dedel. Okay, this time we will be opening the microphones for all of your questions, guys. You can ask questions, but please be considerate. We are more than 40 heads here, okay? So now, I open the floor for any questions. Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
Hi, good morning. Ano yung pinaka-expect natin na pinaka-unique sa Sinigang Mascara Festival 2025?
Hello, Sir Roming Sabalito. Good morning. I think the most unique gift for this year is actually we're giving back the festival to the people. So as you can see, we have a lot of competitions that directed towards our community. Inter-barangay singing competition, dance competition, may mga barangay trade fair kami, and even may surprise kami, even our Miss Bacolod Mascara, we're bringing back queens from the past. So we're really concentrating on the roots and the heart of this celebration, which is the people of Bacolod.
Sir, paano natin masigurado nga ang mga tao, kaya ang tao binaanad na sa MGC, sa ibang video, binaanad ang Mascara Festival. So paano natin masigurado na ang plaza mapuno natin like we should expect it, we expect it?
Yes, from October 1 to 19, we have events at the BCGC, same with Plaza. So if ever during the opening, if there's an opening concert sa BCGC, meron si Plaza. So we will strike a balance between Plaza and the BCGC. So if there's a celebrity coming sa BCGC, there's also a celebrity coming sa Plaza. So hindi wala namang gipabayan, even the stage design, even the arts and the logistics, wala namang gipabayan ng Plaza. So it's a balance.
Good morning. For the mayor, can we get your the reaction on the theme of Mascara this year, One Smile, One City, and One Heart?
siguro may nga sa tanan that reflects kung sino ang makulod noon in times of trials, in times of challenges. We can unite basta isa ang atong direction, isa ang atong sining objective.
So, can you say, Mayor, that you're satisfied with the music and with the theme?
Tumalaway man ako ang yatag na sa mga taga-Bacolod evaluate, no? But siguro nga ako lang is this early I thank and appreciate Ugma Foundation and then Randy as the festival director and everyone working so hard over the past couple of months. I think the launching will speak for itself, and we know that everyone is excited. Kung sa lingwahe pa ni Randy daw na hype up ang tanan. But I'm sure the launching is just a tip of the iceberg of the Mascara 2025.
I'll answer na lang in behalf of Mayor. In fairness kay Mayor, very hands-on din si Mayor when it comes to planning of the Mascara. Even the theme, even the logo, gusto ni Mayor actually, we want to put the nostalgia back. So if you can see the logo, feeling namon, doon nakita na niya namon somewhere in the 90s na logo. Even the feels, si Mayor ginagambal, we really wanted to put Latin and samba back because that's actually the personality of the Mascara Festival. So as you can see damo na siya revision, but kami it has to be people are actually looking for that songs ng 90s or 80s. So hambal namon, we have to put it there somewhere. So as you can see, we have lambada, we have conga, so Latin naman siya inspired. So di po kuhan naman ni Mayor the theme, the logo, and even the music.
Mayor, good morning. I'd like to hear from you. Paano mo natipon yung mga talented kagabilidadan ng mga grupo under sa Ugma Foundations?
Siguro, working with these persons for so many years, I think we know kung talent kag expertise ari diri sa Bacolod. So by asking them to help the city through this festival, we are already showcasing kung sino at ano ang mga taga Bacolod. No? So by having this group, I'm sure a lot of organizers and those in the corporate world sa Manila will see, okay, mga taga Bacolod, ginigilig sila talaga. That is the rationale why we encourage and ask everyone from Bacolod to join this Mascara 2025 because siguro dugay na ni sila sa different fields but why lang matagaan opportunity to lead a big world-class festival such as Mascara. So I am fully supportive of them 100%. No? Amo na sometimes though even the nitty-gritty na discuss, no? Because we want hindi taluyan na may mabis pala this celebration because we are showcasing Bacolod City and the Bacolod House.
Good afternoon. Good noon. Mayor, I have two questions. No, I will dwell on the negative and the positive, but positive first. One of the events, one of the tag that complemented Mascara Festival of Bacolod is that there was a time that Bacolod Plaza was considered or declared as the beer garden of Bacolod. No, do we have any attempt to reclaim this title, considering with the present economic crunch, no? But because of the upbeat sa Mascara Festival na launching, so kung may plano kita, may inkling kita nga i-reclaim ta ang ining tag nga Bacolod Public Plaza is the beer garden?
Siguro, pwede ta siya mahimo on a proactive na approach, which is the Bacolod Public Plaza is going to be one of the entertainment areas for this Mascara 2025. And when we say entertainment, tanan-tanan na from artists, from performances, from kung ano man kinanglanon for the Mascara 2025.
On the negative side, the previous 3 years, Mascara, yung foundation, permanent deficit, and that particular negative, it created negative connotations about the foundation, the city, and of course the Mascara Festival itself. Now, what is your assurance that this particular, the Gugma Foundation, will never experience that particular deficit issue?
Actually, they are working. The budget is important and necessary in such a big activity as this. But our focus is secondary ang budget. Ang important, ano ang atong pwede mahatag sa Bacolod? Ano ang atong pwede ma-showcase coming from Bacolod? Challenges for sponsorship and everything is there. But amo na ka nag-point ganiko. I salute all of them. Kay kabalo ko nga grabe ang kinanglanon budget, but they work kung ano lang ang available. And they will, for sure, whether dako man ang sponsorship or limited man ang sponsorship, that will not affect the celebration that ihatag natin for the Mascara 2025. And definitely, as what I said earlier, the foundation is going to be transparent as what they've committed during the meeting with the Sangguniang Council.
Congratulations, everyone, sa Gugma Foundation. This is the first time na nagsaot ni Jessica La Gomez. Ang question ko lang about sa readiness sa katon yung mga hotels, no, to accommodate sa katon yung mga visitors and guests during the Mascara Festival.
Actually, we will be meeting with them next week because we will be launching a program to all the establishment, hotels, mabuhay accommodations, restaurant, cafes, malls. We will be for the malls, we will be launching actually a Mascara shopping holiday. So all the malls agreed to discounts and sales starting October 1st to 19. Then we will be launching the best Mascara destination. So meaning, i-challenge naman ng mga hotels, mabuhay accommodations, cafe, restaurants to dress up their establishments. So at the end of the Mascara season, we will be giving them plaques nga sila ang best Mascara destination for the year, or mag-put kami stickers nga for this year sila ang Mascara destination. As of the readiness of the hotel, I actually talked to some of the hotels, and as of the moment, the hotels are filling up. That's one of the reasons man naging move naman ni Mayor on the 3rd week, because we know that on the 4th week there's going to be 3 big conventions coming in. So nag-ayogin sa mga hotel na kung pwede 1st to 3rd week lang ang Mascara, para at least matunga ang ilang na marketing, matunga ang ilang sales. First and 3rd week, that's going to be on Mascara. Then ang 4th week will be for the big conventions coming in.
Morning. First of all, congratulations sa Minami sa launch. From the AVP to the production number na Minami an impact. So, nami i-share sa social media. Anyway, question ko na because last week, ara ako sa Plaza. Since damo ta events, no, sa Plaza. Daw, pagkabi na kayo, so mahingagaw, and ano i-expect nga improvements sa Plaza. they go all over, it may blue tabon. Thank you.
Thank you. Ang TIAGA committed nga before October 1, matapos na ang pag-install sa mga lights dira. So muna siyang gawin ng mga back off. Ang palibot nga drainage, nag-commit man ang DP nga matapos sila before that. So I think everything will be in order before the start of the Mascara October 1.
Rejoinder lang sa pamangkot ni Sir Ambo. Speaking of budget, so of course we need sponsors for that. So far, may mga commitments na kamo from major sponsors like sa national level because makita naman sa local, ka-overwhelming naman to sa suporta, no? So national level.
Yes, actually it started last week. Nagka-closing deals na kami with national brands naman. The help are coming in actually mga last minute. So if you base it on the past experience, normally amo gini siya nga time like on the second week down amo na nadangga panic na ang mga brands. Actually ang Lacson, not so much, ikabalo kaming Lacson, it will not be fixed until the last before the week gets ang highlight. Okay, kabatsaganay pa ng mga brands, we call it the brand wars. Sometimes matupad ng mga brands kay gusto nila i-kompetensyahan. So naheads up pa naman ang mga Lacson team, and the brands will be coming in mga last minute na. So may mga negotiations na magkakatabo.
Pwede hint, like major telcos or ano?
Yes, hindi pa kami kambal, but based on our talks, I think this year the biggest stars will be coming to Lacson. I mean like parties and may mga events, may mga concerts that the biggest name in the music industry will be coming.
Thank you. A follow-up question. I need a follow-up actually. So last year, during the highlights, there were almost 100,000 tourists nagkanto, 99,000. So this year, do you expect more?
We want 120. Because Mascara is a tourism event. So that's what I'm telling the organizer. Even though it's once a month lang, but we have to look for the brighter side, for the long term. If we make it as we make it good in tourism, everyone wins in tourism.
Thank you.
May dugang lang ng partida sa tourism lang. After the 19th, may tatlo ka conventions, and then ang Unigames will also be coming on that period. That is why on the 26th, may isa pagkikadako na pa-concert man ang Mascara to Bukma para at least ang nagkalabilin nga rin dere will have something to look forward for the 26th.
Mayor, good afternoon. Ang budget, ang assistance ng city for the Mascara dancers sa schools, sa barangays, then yung sa electric Mascara, when ma-hatap?
I think the start ng process nila, pag-process ng financial assistance. This is the only way rather na ang city maka-provide assistance. Pag direct na siya, it's not through Bukma. It's from the city to the participating barangay. So meaning ang barangay ang releasan ng assistance. So for the Mascara, for the street dance, as well as electric and the schools category.
Mayor, since this week, napugtaw ang Bacolod kay magipatay na Filipino-Chinese businessman sa Central Market. So, are you recommending gun ban to the national PNP? Because City Chronicle told us earlier this week man that ikaw ang maka-recommend gun ban.
We will discuss further. There are some things that we have to consider, especially on peace and order, but once maka-finalize ang isang discussion, we'll make the announcement on what period need for gun ban. There are some festivals na wala ng kanban, like for example, ang Davao, I think wala ng kanban, kaniban ng mga areas. But I will refer to the experts, no, in terms of the recommendation for the Isidore. We will finalize everything with it.
Hello, good morning. Related man sa previous question, in terms of peace and order, sir, what mechanisms do we have in store para mag-ensure man sa security, safety, as well as crowd control and traffic management?
Yes, the last time we already met with the police. I think they're creating task force Mascara, and more than just our police, there will be augmented from all over the region. I think nagatag sila statistics and report for the last 3 Mascara, no crime hits within the festival areas, and they promise to do the same for this year.
Morning. Regarding the Wi-Fi in Paglao there, will it be possible?
Yes, we are now working with Telcom. With 3. So we're trying to put Wi-Fi sa Lacson area, Paglao, and some of our festival sites.
Sir, sa side naman sa mga vendors, hindi naman pulong ang ulan, hindi ang pakta. Hindi naman paktaan kung saan mga utang ulan, if ever yung problema na sa mga past, yung mga celebrations natin. So may plan kita, if ever. And follow-up question, ano matabo sa pagplastar nyo sa mga vendors na sigurado natin na parang nila, hindi mapiktuan, if ever?
I think for that, nag-meet na kami with the vendors the last time. Before sila magkuha kiosk, actually, kin-meeting na sila naman what to expect. And sometimes the weather, hindi ginaya naman makontrol. Tapos kaya nag-alay na kami itlog sa car na lights. You can't control that. I think we're talking with the last naman, mag-last kami meeting, where we're mag-try kami scheme up with certain programs. If it's rainy day, may rainy day promo. I wanna go raw. If it's raining, so I think may discount guro ang amon ng mga kiosk. So we're trying to explore that. So but ginamutang ginamon sila, even our masquerade dancers, our electric float parade, ginambalan namon nga your creation must be weatherproof. Because Vermont is always raining, hindi gina siya namon makontrol. So on our end, it's about managing expectations na lang. And come up kami guro with promos and program for rainy days guro.
Okay, do we have other questions? Okay.
But by the way, sir, how much preschool sa Bacolod Public Plaza?
As of now, the kiosk is 25,000 all in siya, sir. So that includes their electricity for 90 days. 25,000. Sorry, 25,000.
Sa iya, di Boya. Matuod na pala nga may balayran na ang mga vendor sa plaza na magbalik yan sa Mascara.
Which one, miss? Sa sulod?
Sa sulod, sa plaza, ang pinagabalik yan.
Yes. Actually, gintry namon organize ang mga ambulant vendors. We met last week kay may mga ambulant vendors nga may mga organizations. And ang mga organizations, nakibot ko that they are willing to pay. Nakibot ko nga willing pag sila gani magpa-print sa ila t-shirt ka magpanamig sa ilang yung mga kiosk. And happy gid ko na willing gid sila even at minimal cost because we want to organize them. Kaya may iba na galing nga pasaway yung mga strikers that are, you know, kaya amo na sila ang mga kompetensya sa aton yung mga kiosk nga nagbayad kids. So we're trying to control the mga strikers. But the rest, I think we talk to the ambulant vendors inside the plaza and willing din sila mag-cooperate.
How long are you going to close Paxson Street? Kaysa muna 1 week.
We will not be closing it during the day, Ms. Carla. The only time that we will be closing it is gabi. So it could either be during their ingress. It's, I think, if I'm correct, it's going to be do 8 p.m. 7 p.m. Miss Carla. So amo ginangambal ko sa interagency that we cannot afford to close Lacson during the day kay kaluoy man sa mga establishments. So the only time that we will be giving the brands or the ingress sa Lacson will be 7 p.m. till 5 or 6 in the morning. Then ma-open siya na yun for cars to pass by.
Good morning, everyone. Launching bonggang-bongga na. So people will also expect it. They will expect bongga pag ang mga dason ng mga activities and they will expect bonggang-bonggang masquerade this year. May we ask kung may na mo more or less savings ang budget niyo for this year's masquerade?
Actually, this does. Ang budget naman, we do our budget as we come along. So, hindi kami pwede kapasok. Actually, once kapag meeting namon, sky's hambal ko actually sa mga organizers. Sky's the limit. Hindi ka mo namon pag i-cut down because of budget. Just give us your event based on your ideas. Then, as the days go by, then ginano man namon, gina-measure man namon, nga kundi lang hasta ang mga budget namon and yung mga sponsors. Then, based sa among experiences, events, hindi kami dapat magpasubra. So, ano lang, Miss Dalza, ginabatsyag namon. That's the right term.
One thing for sure, the people of Bacolod will enjoy.
Yes, of course. Among ginangambal sa councilors namon, we would rather spend. The Bacolod Gugma Foundation, we're not here to earn. We're here to spend because again, it's a tourism event. So mas mayong ginagasto namon, let tanan enjoy, like from the tawong gabaligya balloons, tawong nagkuha kiosko, we really wanted to spend. And ang challenge is, Mascara is one of the longest celebrations. So sometimes 1 week, tapos na kami, we have to stretch our stamina, our energy, and our budget for 19 or 20 plus days.
Salamat kami kay nakita nyo ang worth sa local media. So we hope I just would like to ask, may signal jamming ta na I understand kung presidente ang bisita, kung pwede tani wala lang. Ito hindi naman iuso, hindi may satellite signal naman. Hindi ko man ito ma-jam, no? And then, ano ang inyong arrangement sa San Sebastian Cathedral kay ilan na daang sa atubang? So, basig may ibutang mo na sila nga laway naman nga mga exhibit na. Thank you.
Sir, we have talked with mayor and other city officials and we decided na hindi na lang kami mag-put up signal jamming. So there will be no signal jamming. Also, we talk, even if there are VIPs, wala man kami signal jamming. And also, with regards sa cathedral, we have talked with the management of the cathedral and we have come up with an arrangement that they will allow us to use the area sa Tubang nila for October, November, and December. So that's our arrangement. No, and there are regulations nga gin-impose sa cathedral such as wala alcohol dila sa area, no gambling, and no on our internal arrangement, hindi kami magbutanda o ukay-ukay. So amo na ang mga conditions namon sa cathedral area.
In addition to sir sa imong question, actually ang atumas ng cathedral, we actually divided into 2 different concessions. One is for the souvenir items, and the other one are food carts. So we're gonna have to make that food cart area to be just like a coffee alley, where our different food trucks are actually situated there. And the food that are actually available in that area is not in duplicity with the grilling station. So we are making sure that there will be no duplication with regards to food serving para magbuligay ang both parties. Just like, you know, I actually told them, just like for example, sa grilling area, if someone would ask for fish balls, they can just contact the one, what do you call this, selling fish balls at the food cart area para i-deliver dito. You know, so two-way process siya actually, helping each other, because that's what Gugma is all about. Sa Tubang, sa Cathedral na.
Do we have other questions? None? Okay. Okay, well, this time, thank you so much to our local media. So big round of applause, please. No, well, we are excited to work with you, and we are expecting that this will be a successful Mascara Festival 2025 with the help of our media friends. Palakpakan. And this time, there will be an announcement coming from our PR head, Ms. Lois Lian Babay.
So, mayong hapon liwat sa tanan. First of all, I would like to thank Mayor Greg Gasataya, First Lady Mai Gasataya, the Bacolod Gugma Foundation, and of course, Direct Rodney Ascalon for making us all part of this event, Mascara Festival, especially including the PR and media, or our media friends. So, this is our promise to the media. So please watch out the announcement of the Grand Media Night this year, where we will stage a special awards show to recognize and honor the invaluable contributions of our writers, reporters, anchors, and media partners. In addition, we will also launch an exciting music video competition among our media outlets. So, meron tayong music video competition, interstation ini, an event guaranteed to ignite our mascara spirit and showcase your boundless creativity. And starting next week, our team will be visiting your stations to personally extend our gugma and appreciation to your station heads, as well as present them with our media exclusive collaterals. So in the coming days, anticipate 10 more pocket press conferences. We already started with 2, ang aton kiosk management and our arts and camera club events. So these pocket press conferences, as we highlight each of our major events individually, keeping you at the center of every celebration. And at all our events, especially the major crowd drawers, don't forget to look for the media chairs. Muna ni siya ang aton mga orange chairs. So para in every event, hindi na kita magsalang, no? When makakita yung orange chairs, automatic, this is for our media friends. So you'll easily so you'll easily spot them in striking orange reserved, especially for you, our valued partners. So this is our promise to you. This is our gugma for you. Thank you so much.
That's our PR head, Mrs. Lois Lian Bobe. Now we have another challenge for you, mga media friends. So, syempre, yan naman kita pa contest sa inyo. So, hello to our dearest friends in media. We are excited to launch a special Reels contest just for you. Now, this is your chance to showcase your creativity while highlighting the Mangkas Media exclusive shirts and other official Mascara Festivals collaterals. Now, your challenge: post the most creative, eye-catching, and electrifying reels featuring Mangkas Media exclusive shirts, official Mascara 2025 collaterals. So guidelines: submit your reels link on or before October 10. No time limit required. May be presented in photos or videos. Must include a voice-over. Now, criteria for judging: creativity and originality, 40%. Relevance to Mascara theme, 30%. Visual and technical quality, 20%. Engagement or impact, 10%. Prizes? Prizes na. 5 winners will each take home media exclusive items and 3,000 cash. This is your chance to shine, inspire, and show your artistry for Mascara 2025. One smile, one city, one heart, Bacolod stronger together. Now we will be giving you the kit. So you will have it. You'll have it one by one, guys. So you'll have a shirt, an umbrella. Oh, a cup. Okay. Oh, susok agad eh, MJ. Okay, wow. We are pag-ikaw may pang-kit ka mo yan. Especially, we need it, no? Kung feel kita, may payang kita kung kaulan. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, mga guys. And we have 2 shirts. Wow. Oh, are 2 shirts na to? May mga shirts. So different colors sila. Okay. And that's it. Thank you so much. And okay, anything? Okay, you want to say something, Ian? Okay, go ahead, Ian. Other questions? Well, ang sizes nyo? Ang ID nyo, sabi natin ang ID nyo na, meetingan pa namon, pero ginaprepara kita. Siya ba hindi ginamadula o para ma-identify kita. Okay, anything? Okay, we will distribute the kit na lang now na kit. Okay, so sa mga po ko muna i-distribute na na subong. We have MJ and Imay Arban. Lawagod ko isa-isa. Okay, aray na. I-distribute na lang ko no, request nila. Oo, okay. Okay, we distribute na lang ko no tanan. Sige, i-distribute na lang. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much to our media friends. Thank you so much, department heads, Mayor Greg Sataya, and Direct Rodney Mensascalon. Thank you so much. Board of members, thank you so much. And Councilor Jason Milarosa, thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Let's work together. One city, one smile, one city, one heart. Happy Mascara 2025.